This is your girl, Rick Francis, and I want to welcome you to today's episode of Relationship Talk with Rican. We're looking at how to make a man fall in love with you, baby girl. How to make a man love you. You know, it's not every time it has to be the man falling in love with you, the man doing everything to fall in love with you, the man. Sometimes it's important you put in the work as well. Love is, it's a two-way thing. It's not a one-way thing. I'm sure you know what I mean, right? So it's important you actually do your part and let him see that you have done yours as well. Falling in love is one of the most interesting things that can ever happen to anyone. Anytime I'm talking about love things, I'm always excited because I'm a sucker for love, guys. Like, who doesn't love love? Can never be me, obviously, because I love love. So anywhere there's a love story, anytime there's a love story to be discussed, anywhere they are sharing love present, you find me there because I like it. I give it one level of joy. So, but whenever you think it is the job of a man to probably love you first, do this, do that, I know the Bible says, husband, love your wife as Christ loved the church, right? And it also said, wife, be submissive to your husband, for he's the head, the way Christ is the head of the church. But how do you submit to someone you don't even love to begin with? Does that even work? I don't think so. It does not. You cannot be submissive to someone you are not in love with, baby girl. You cannot be submissive to someone you don't love. Love makes it a lot easier to do certain things for people you love. It just makes it very easy. It makes it like, that's why sometimes you see a guy who is way younger than the lady, but they are married. She's respectful, she's submissive, she just makes it easy. That is because, my darling, she loves him too well. So submitting to him or respecting him, irrespective of their age differences, could not matter. Because love is involved. Love is not in the story. So guys, today, I am here to tell my ladies, my sisters, how you can make a man fall in love with you. You would think it's a normal, regular thing you're already doing. But trust me, by the time you watch this video, by the time you settle down and listen to what I'm about to say, believe me, you will come back to watch it over and over and over again. And please, while you're at that, don't forget to subscribe. If you know you have been on this page for a while and you have not subscribed, okay, I'm sorry. Forgive me for whatever I have done. Please subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to Relationship Talk with Rican. Help me to grow. Help me to succeed. I definitely cannot do this by myself. I obviously cannot run this on my own. This is the only job I have. I beg. I don't have another job. So I need you to subscribe. I need a subscription. I also need you to support me by joining my community, guys. Support through my community. Support through super sticker. Guys, you can do all of that to help me. Please. And I promise you for sure, you will not regret it. So now back to where we were. So loving somewhere, it's not just for the guys only. It is not just, a guy is not mandated to love you first before you love him. How about you show him that, you know what, I'm actually in love with you too. So now let's look at things you can do to make a man love you, baby girl. It's not hard though. It's very easy. It's very simple. Very, 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 very simple. It will make the bond between you and that guy go strong. Go bless in a kayamata you use. But you know use kayamata, na love na you use. Maybe everybody wey man love or find man wey love them, then they do kaya matter. Some just got lucky. They just find that love. It just happened because they know what to do, how to do it, and when to do it. So my sisters, this will be in 2 parts. So today we'll look at the first part, then when next week come, we'll look at the second part. But first, let's look at how to make a man love you. Number 1, be yourself. Don't try to be anybody you're not, baby girl. Your name is Blessing. Stick as Blessing. Your name is Rican. Don't be Ngozi. It will not fit you. So your name is Rican. Act like Rican. Act like Blessing. That is your name. So be yourself, baby girl. Don't be another person around him. You know, they said you have to be authentic. It helps a long way. Man, it's attractive to be authentic, you know. You are not artificial. You are not fake. You are who you are. Be true to who you are, right? And let him see and appreciate the real you. So don't start doing things as another person. And then at the end of the day, is appreciating the other person you are playing as. Then failing and forgetting to appreciate the real you because you have not shown him the real you. Show him the real you. Show him who you are, what you stand for, what you can do. Another thing is, number 2, show interest. Don't say you're shy, let me hide, let me just be, let him. Oh my God, don't do that, don't do that. You love him. Why not show it? I know, right? Don't be shy. He said, take an active interest in his life. I'm telling you, you can show him more. Take an active interest in his life, hobbies and passions. Things he loves doing, things he likes doing. Take interest in those things. If he likes outdoor events, create events for outdoor and invite him. Girl, invite him and say, okay, why you just want the 2 of you to just have this outdoor event? You know, baby girl, and especially if you can afford it, it makes it a lot easier. Come on, like you don't understand what I'm saying. See, if you know these things, to keep that man who could be hard, it could be very easy. So when you pick interest in what interests him, you know, his passion, his hobbies, you know, and they ask questions, listen attentively and show that you care about what matters to him. So when he's saying things, listen, pay attention. Oh. Let him know that, oh, I know you like this thing. So sometimes when you do things, oh, I didn't even know you were listening to me that day I was talking. Maybe you have catch him somewhere. Hey, see, let him like, oh, I'm surprised you did. I didn't know you were listening to me that day. You have catch him somewhere. You don't hold on somewhere. Now, so you know, either like hook where you put fish, when you put earthworm and throw inside the river, you know, that earthworm will attract that fish. Now say you don't catch him. Now small now. Show interest. Another thing you can do to make your man love you is communicate openly. Good communication, they say, is the foundation of any strong relationship. Share your thoughts with him, feelings openly, and encourage him to do same. Don't be afraid to communicate how you feel. Don't be afraid to encourage him to also communicate how he feels about you. Because it makes it a lot easier when 2 of you try to communicate how you feel to each other. Men sometimes find it hard to do this because women have made it look like it is the man that must love you first. But that is not how it should be. A man has his part to play in your life. You also have the part to play in his life and in the relationship both of you are in. Number 4, respect him. Respect him more. Like I said, love and respect go hand in hand, baby girl. You cannot love somebody you don't respect. You know they work like that. It's not even possible. So don't think it. Don't act like it's possible. It's a lie. It's not possible at all. So now, you respect him. You show respect for his opinion, his decision, his boundaries. Respect is crucial when you're trying to build trust and mutual admiration for both of you. Let him admire you. Whatever you admire about him, he admires about you. It will be mutual when you people respect each other. Baby girl, show him respect. Number 5, be supportive. Encourage him in his endeavors and be there for him during challenging times. You know, your support can strengthen his feeling of affection and reliance on you. So when he knows that, this girl, I can rely on her when there's an issue, you become like a support system to this bubble, and your life don't settle. See, they know that, he knows that when he's in trouble, when he needs somebody to fall back to, you are that one person. And when you become that one person, bam, everything don't finish. It don't set to, like everything is set. Your job is to make you know that, let him know that rather, you can be that person he can rely on. Make your man know they do cho 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 cho. They talk everywhere. Your job, show support. Then the last word we're stopping today, show appreciation. Express gratitude for the little things he does. Acknowledge and appreciating his effort can make him feel valued and loved, baby girl. So if he does any little thing for you, you hold it and say, oh, I appreciate this thing you did for me. Thank you. You have done well. Oh, I love this. Hey God, don't be dulling when you are around him. Don't be dulling when you are trying to show a man that you love him. Remember, sex is not love. So if you think showing a man that you love him is every time sex, baby girl, you have spoiled the whole work you have been doing. Sex should be the last thing on your mind when you're making a man fall in love with you. I don't know if I'm making myself clear here. Sex will not help you keep him. But you see these 6 things I've mentioned, and the ones that I'll still mention in the next series, you'll be shocked how it will work like magic. It will work like magic, baby girl. Trust me on this one. Anyways, I'll be stopping here for now. When I come back, we'll kick off from where we stopped. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe, and of course, do not forget to invite someone, and also comment your thoughts, what you think you can do to make a man love you on the comment section. I still remain your girl, Rika Francis, and I'll see you when next I come. Bye for now.